Welcome to our yet another video on Vedic Maths. In today's video, we'll be discussing about base method that's widely used in Vedic Maths as such. Before we try to understand what is base method or how to use it, which is widely used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, let's try to understand the concepts. What exactly is base and what is complement? Complement is also called as Puraka in Vedic Maths. So what is base? Base refers to the base 10 number system in Vedic Maths. The numbers that are power of 10 or a multiple of 10, example 10, 100, 1000, etc. is considered to be the base. Complement them. Two numbers are said to be complement of one another if their sum is a multiple of 10. The sum is called the base. For example, 7 and 3 are said to be complements of each other because 7 plus 3 is nothing but 10. Similarly, 16 and 4 are said to be complements because 16 plus 4 is 20 and 20 is a multiple of 10. Some people also believe that when they use base method to use only power of 10s like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. But in some cases, we also use like consider 20, 50, sometimes 300, 500, even these numbers we also consider as multiples of 10 and we use them as base for multiplication, for division, for addition, subtraction. Any of the places we also consider these as the base. Now, how to find the complement as such? So one of the easiest methods to find the complement is to subtract the number from its base. So for this, we use a method called all from 9 and last from 10 method. This also, I think, people would have widely used whenever you hear about Vedic Maths. So the method is very simple. For example, I have a number over here 100. Okay, so consider that as the base. I have a number called as 64. Now, what's the complement of 64? If I have to find out, so I need to minus or subtract 64 from 100. So I use a method all from 9, last from 10. Say I have 100 over here. I have to subtract 64. With this, I'll get to know my base. So in school method means I will start borrowing from over here. But in all from 9 and last from 10, we don't do that. What we do is we go from we consider this as the units, tens and 100. So when I say the last number is nothing but the units or the ones place. So from this place, what happens? I'm going to subtract this subtrahend. Okay. The unit place of subtrahend from 10. So 10 minus 4 is nothing but 6. This 6 what is been given over here, I'm going to subtract it from 9. So 9 minus 6 is nothing but 3. So because we assume that we have given the numbers from this hundreds place, hence we don't do anything over here. So we arrive at the complement called as 36. So 36 becomes the complement of 64. So this is a widely used method. Say we are having smaller numbers, say 2-digit, 3-digit numbers, then the calculation is more faster. But when you're having larger numbers, say 10,000, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, and like this the numbers are. From there, if you have to find out the Puraka or the complement, then all from 9 and last from 10 method is the easiest method to find your complement or the Puraka. We will next try to understand how to do addition and subtraction using base method. Okay. Before that, we will also try to work on a few base and complements. Okay, here I have a table. So here some numbers are given, the base is given and a complement. For example, the number is 6, the base is 10. So what will be the complement? 4 will be the complement because the difference between 6 and 10 is nothing but 4. I have a number given 23, the base is 30. So what's the complement? The difference between 23 and 30 is 7. Similarly, for 48 is the number, 50 is the base, the complement becomes 2. I have 285, the base is 300, the complement becomes 15. I have 492, the base is 500, and the complement is 8. I have 788, 789 is a number. The base is 800. The complement becomes 11. I have 693 as a number. The base is 700. The complement becomes 7. I have 191 as a number. The base is 200. The complement becomes 9. So this is how we try to find the complement of the given numbers when we are doing with base method. Now, how to use base method and do addition or subtraction as such. For example, here I have two numbers, 14 plus 9. Okay. Using base method, what I am going to do? So here the subtrahend is 9. Hence, I am going to consider the base, or already the base is given. Say the base is 10. I am going to find out the Puraka. Puraka is 1. How do I find the Puraka or the complement? Because the difference between the base 10 and the given number is 1. So 1 becomes my complement of the Puraka. Now what does the method say? The method says the minuend what you want to take, 14. You are going to add the base. So first I am going to add the base. So 14 plus 10 is nothing but 24. Now this number I have to subtract the Puraka from this. So I got 24. 24 minus 1 is 23. Therefore 14 plus 9 is nothing but 23. So what does this method tell all about? Add the base, subtract the Puraka. Opposite of it we are going to do when we are going to do base subtraction. We subtract the base and add the Puraka. Here the given number was 25 minus 8. Again base is 10 here. The complement or the Puraka will be 2 because the difference between 8 and 10 is 2. So here what I am going to do? The method says subtract the base. So 25 minus 10. 25 minus 10 is 15. Now for this 15 I am going to add the Puraka. In addition I subtracted the Puraka. Here I am going to add the Puraka. Okay. So 15 plus 2 is nothing but 17. So 25 minus 8 is 17. So this is how we use base method to do addition and subtraction. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.